Hi everyone, I'm Eva and welcome back to Hana Crochet Design. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful custom tote bag using heat transfer vinyl and Cricut maker. For this project, you're gonna need a tote bag. I've got this tote bag from Cricut and it is 100% polyester fabric. And for the heat transfer vinyl, I'm using Cricut brand. This is everyday iron-on and foil iron-on. To transfer my design, I'm gonna use this Cricut Easy Press Mini and Cricut Easy Press Mat to protect my working surface. For the blade, I'm using Cricut Premium Fine Point Blade. This SVG design file is available in Cricut Design Space. I am a Cricut contributing artist and you can check out my design both SVG as well as PNG on my Design Space profile, Hana Crochet Design. To make the tote bag, go to my shared project and look for Whale Tote Bag. Click on the thumbnail and click Customize. And you need to detach all the layers before you start. I made this tote bag for my girl, so let's remove her name. And then you can go to the left panel and click the text icon. To change the font type, go to the top panel and click on the drop down arrow. Select the text layer and go to the top panel. Click on the curve icon to curve the text. And you can adjust the curve by moving the controller. I'm gonna change the text color into something lighter so you can see the line in between letters. And when you send this file for cutting, the machine will cut it as individual letters. It's not gonna be in one piece. To avoid this, select that layer and then go to the bottom right and click Weld. So now as you can see, there's no more line in between letters. So when the cutting machine cut this, it will cut in one piece. I never merged this design into one single layer. So you still can move some of the elements such as this shooting star. You can place the diamond outside of the circle and you can adjust the size. You can also move this cluster of stars next to your text. Once you're done with the setup, next we're going to determine which design element will be cut on everyday iron-on material and which elements will be cut on foil iron-on material. I'm gonna select the cloud, the cluster of the stars and put them into one group. And all the design elements in this group will be cut on foil iron-on material. I'm gonna hide this group so you can see the rest of the elements. The rest of the design that I highlighted will be cut on everyday iron-on material. Just keep in mind, by grouping the elements together is not the same as the attach function, so you still have to select all the layers and attach them together. Do the same thing with the other design that you want to cut on foil iron-on. So you select the layers and click Attach. Once you're done with the setting, go to the top panel and click Make. I'm going to change the material size to 30.5 by 30.5 cm. So you will see there are two mats here. The first design on the mat will be cut on everyday iron-on. And for the design on the second mat will be cut on foil iron-on. After that, click Continue. On the next page, you need to set up the base material, type everyday iron-on. And I almost forgot about this. Since this is a heat transfer project, you need to mirror your image. To cut the material, I'll be using Cricut Premium Fine Point Blade and I'm gonna insert it in clamp B. Put the heat transfer material shiny side down on your mat. We are ready to Once you're done with that, we're gonna cut the next design on the second mat. I'll be using foil iron-on for the next design. And don't forget to mirror on your image. I'll be using this foil iron-on material, and I'm gonna put it shiny side down on my mat. Once you're done with the cutting, unload your mat and remove the material from your mat. Once the design is cut, remove the excess vinyl using a weeding tool. Be careful not to peel off the parts of the design you want to transfer. Now the design is ready to be transferred. And before we transfer the material, it is very important to check the heat guide because different material require different heat setting. I'll be using Cricut Easy Press Mini, and for the heat transfer material, I'm going to choose Everyday Iron-On. And select polyester for the base material. So according to the heat guide, we've got to preheat the Cricut Easy Press Mini to medium. And then we've got to preheat the polyester for 5 seconds. Next, I'm going to transfer the foil iron-on. Again, you need to check out the heat guide before you transfer this material. You need to preheat the Cricut Easy Press Mini to low setting. Remove the liner when it is cool to touch. And that's it. This is how the tote bag design looks like. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out yourself. For more design inspiration, don't forget to follow me on Cricut Design Space as well as Instagram Hannah Crochet Design. Until next time, and happy crafting!